Morning, everybody. We were up early this morning. We got up about, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
We stayed in Dillard, Georgia last night at the Mountain Valley Inn. Wasn't the worst hotel.
Wasn't the best, neither.
It wasn't the best. We were super tired and the shower was hot. So we enjoyed that last night. Yeah, so we're up early this morning. We've already made it to Highlands, North Carolina, which is a very nice town. Upper class, definitely. And we're going to do, or today's adventure is going to take us on the Mountain Waters Scenic Byway. It's about 60 miles. And on that, there is 5 waterfalls, I think it says. So that's what today's adventure is. I'm going to turn the camera around so y'all can see some of excuse me, y'all can see some of the town. It's really nice. I wish I could have got that church on film. There's a beautiful church. There's a farmer's market there. No, it's a nursery. Fire department. It was a nice drive. It was just one road. You turn. Was that 441? Was that road? Anyways, whenever the main road there is, it goes through Dillard. You just turn by a Chevron. Oh, look at that bridge. Will Henry Stevens Bridge. Just turn there by the Chevron and it brings you right into Highlands. We did stop and get directions to make sure we're getting, of course, GPS. We turned right and we should have turned left. Alright, well this is it for now, and we'll check back in when we get on the bypass or byway road.
I can't read this.
I don't think that this is part of the waterfalls, but we did find the dam, and it's called something Watershed. We thought this was really pretty too. And it's right off the highway. The highway's up there, and just a little walk. The truck's over there. Yeah, pretty. On to the next one. Okay, like literally not even a minute down the road, we come up to this one, and this is called Bridal Veil Falls. You used to be able to drive, just pull over, but now they have it closed. They have signs there that say the road's closed, probably from fallen rock. But yeah, this one's called Bridal Veil Falls. It just goes down in the road there. Yeah, down in the. You could get out and walk, and then you can take some pretty cool pictures. Yeah, this one you don't even have to get out and walk. It's literally right on the side of the road. There's enough for a few cars to park and get out and stuff. Alright, on to the next one, guys. Okay, just a little bit down the road. It wasn't far from the last one either, the Bridal Veil Falls. We come up on Dry Falls. So they have an outhouse bathroom you can use. And here's some information. the other one that has a map. A lot of other information that you can use. No swimming, honey. It's kind of chilly today. It's 40 degrees. So, and they have a little box here. Here. Yeah, you can pay, pay for the fee to get in. And it just helps support the parks and so forth. The sun's starting to come in. Look at over there. It's beautiful. Honey's getting his jacket. He's cold natured. Okay, we'll pause it here until we get down to the falls. Now, to get down where we were, we've went down with 3 short little flights of stairs made out of stone. So definitely not wheelchair handicap accessible. But they, yeah, to the bottom. But they do have, up there, they have handicap accessible. So you can still wheel up there and see down to the falls. So let's proceed on down the way. You can see some of the water. Alright, we made it down all the stairs. There's quite a few flight of stairs. It's not too bad because it's in small sections. And this is where it is. Dry Falls. Absolutely beautiful. Before you come down all the stairs, you can actually see on top of it. Alright, so let's walk on down. Corey's made it all the way down there. You can actually walk behind it. You walk all the way down behind it. Little cave up in there.
Trying to get by you.
Well, you can already feel the wind coming off the water.
We ain't going that far.
Why?
Where they're at?
Yeah.
We gotta fail one. That right there is over the roller coaster ride. Up there, we can get about the middle of it.
Woo! You can feel it.
You get a picture? That's the back. There's a lot of water dripping right there.
Wow. Let's turn you around backwards. Here we are. Behind Dry Falls. What do you think?
It ain't so dry back here.
No, there's water dripping from the mountain. And this,
It's cold.
yeah, you can see our breath. It's about, what, 40 degrees?
Yeah. It's probably colder than that behind a waterfall, though.
Yeah. You can see the mist.
We're gonna have to make that work.
Okay, this is where you go.